All right, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So I finally got my hands on some new hair, y'all, and it feels so good and it's absolutely beautiful. So if you're interested in this look, keep on watching. All right, y'all, so jumping right into this video, this wig is from Curly Me Hair. This is their 13x4 frontal unit. It's 26 inches and it's 180% density and it's water wave. Y'all, I'm gonna just say this now, but I knew this wig was gonna be fire before I even put it on. Like, in all honesty, I could just tell it was. And this lace was amazing. This is Swiss lace on this unit. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots on her, and I'm gonna start with plucking this unit a little bit. If you're not really into plucking, or if you're a beginner or you just don't have the time, you could definitely just wear this wig and, you know, finesse it a little bit and wear it straight out of the box without plucking. But since I've got time, I'm just gonna do a little bit here. I think I spent maybe 15 minutes plucking this wig, if not a little less. And y'all, since I have not plucked a wig in a hot minute, I was really slow, which is why I didn't speed it up in the beginning of this, so that you guys can see just how slow I was going. But it took me a second to kind of get back in the groove. And I kind of missed this. I actually really love plucking, styling wigs and all that kind of stuff. So this was really fun for me to do. So yeah, just taking the excess hair out with my little fine tooth comb. And I really just wanted to take the bulk out of the front, which you can see right now, just to give it a little bit more of a natural hairline and just so that it flows really well. So here I'm just going in with my wax stick. I do this all the time. I like to go in with my wax stick because it helps to lay the hair and just helps it like stay going backwards or whatever direction I need for it to lay. And it really helps with putting the wig on as well. You don't have any extra hairs floating around and all that kind of stuff. So, and I get a really flat install doing it this way. So I take my wax stick all throughout the front of the hair, and then I'm just taking my hot comb. And because this is curly hair, you don't want to run it all the way through. So if you notice, I'm just stopping maybe an inch or two going backwards, just molding that hair and really getting it to just lay back, just go backwards, so that when I install it on myself, it's nice and easy and it's really flat. All right, y'all, so now we've got it all nice, flat, and ready to go. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of foundation on this lace, and I want to point out again how soft this lace was, y'all. Made all the difference. Super transparent. It melted right into my skin as well, but you will see that in just a bit. And from here, I'm just going to just smooth my edges back and then pop a wig cap on and get ready to install this unit, which I'm super excited about at this point. So yeah. All right, so I've got the unit on, and I'm just gonna use my good old TG bedhead spray. And I'm going to just do two little slits at the top right here. So I have 3 sections, and that's the easiest for me to apply a wig. I used to just apply the wig like all in one without creating sections, but I found doing it this way, it just gives you better control and it just gives you a better application, in my opinion. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of, spray enough of the hairspray right on the lace. And then I'm gonna blow dry it down. I'm also gonna take my rat tail comb and just kind of go in between the hairline too, just to make sure it's all melted. And I'm taking scissors at this point, but I definitely prefer my razor. So I went on ahead and just switched to a little eyebrow razor to cut the excess lace off. And then from here, I'm just taking a little bit of hairspray on the back of this brush and just pressing it down to melt the lace that came up so that you see it disappearing. You do not want to miss this step. It's a crucial, critical, very important step. And also applying a little bit of powder on top of that to make sure it all blends seamlessly is another important step too. So you'll see that just disappear, and one side was good and one side wasn't, but it's all good. We're just gonna cover it up with a little baby hair. So here I'm just taking some edges. Like I said, it's been a minute, y'all, since I have done a wig video, and I was on the struggle bus today. And I want to point something out really quickly. You'll see like a little dent on the side by my hairline right here, and that's from applying the hair, like applying the wig, and then I pressed too hard either with my nail or whatever. It happens, y'all. If you get that, you may want to just redo the whole thing or that section. You could always just lift that section up and redo it. But here I'm just going to just put some baby hair over it, and it came out fine. So it's been a minute since we've seen this foam, this Design Essentials. This is my absolute favorite foam to lay my edges whenever I am installing a unit. Like I always say with every video, when it comes to laying your edges, don't make them too short. Because you cannot, add hair back on. You can only just keep pulling hair from the wig if you cut them too short, but also you don't want them too long. You want them kind of in between to make them as realistic as possible. So just do what you are most comfortable with doing. This side over here, y'all, was just not my friend in any kind of way during this entire video. I couldn't get that baby hair right. I couldn't get the lace. I couldn't get anything right on this left side. But oh well. So I just ended up saying it is what it is, and I'm tying it down with my black strips. Everything that I use in this video will be listed in my Amazon store and down below. So all products are always listed in my Amazon store. Just click the link in the description box, and then everything about this hair, all the details will be down below as well. So from here, y'all, I'm going to do simple styling. I'm just using my Lotta Body foam on dry hair, which I love the outcome. I typically spray my hair with water, but I broke my water bottle and I haven't needed one in, of course, some weeks. So I didn't really have one to use. So I just went straight in with it on dry hair, and it came out beautifully. And I think it defined the curl much better. But you just have to make sure you are applying the product all over, making sure every single strand is saturated. And y'all, let me tell you about this hair. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. It's super soft as well. The whole unit was full. The curls were beautiful. The curl pattern was beautiful. I actually wore this wig the next day, didn't even take it off, which is huge for me because I never sleep with wigs at all, y'all. And I swear to you, I slept with this wig. I ran errands the next day, and I am in love with it so far. I have not really been feeling like myself lately, and this wig, this unit, this entire look brought me back to life. So great job, Curly Me. I will put all the information down below in the description box, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.